Today is February 3rd. It's still midwinter, but the weather is beautiful. It almost feels like spring, and I can see the bees buzzing on this blueberry bush. This is sharp blue, an ever-bearing type of blueberry. You can see these flowers. These flowers are going to turn into fruits like this. Can you hear the bees? I see a lot of bees. There's a bee there. Here. See? And I am off from work today, so I am going to, and the next week is going to be busy again. So today I have the time to take a garden tour. Let's start here. So this is a blueberry bush, like I said earlier. This is an artichoke. I need to figure out, I think I need to move the blueberry because they are too close. This artichoke is too close to the blueberry bush. And here we have lettuce. This is for the salad, and that one there is a French sorrel. And here we have a lemon tree. This is Eureka lemon. This is the variety. There are different varieties of lemon, and this is the one that they usually sell at the grocery store for cooking. So there's Eureka, there's yuzu, we have a yuzu too, there is Meyer, and there are other varieties of lemon, but this is the most common, I think. We actually had another type of berry, I can't remember anymore, but it grows like really big, so we replaced that one with this lemon tree, which is a great decision since we don't buy lemons anymore. But we have another one over there actually. So this is one lemon tree. We have another lemon tree here. This is very prolific too, as you can see. Look at that, it's so pretty with the flowers and the lemons in the backdrop. And then, okay, let's continue the garden tour. Like what I said, I have all the time to do a garden tour today. So here we have, this is garlic. This is from, we forgot to harvest, so there are like really a lot of garlic here. And this is, oh, this is a purple tatsoi. These are chard, Swiss chard. Look at the stalk. Look at how colorful. And then this is the other one. Look, very pretty. I like this one. And then here we have this is Tuscan kale or dino kale. That's Russian kale. So we have Tuscan kale and dino kale, or Tuscan kale or dino kale, and then Russian kale on this box. This is 4 or 2 by 8. 8 feet that way, 2 feet that way. 8 by 2 by 8 box. And then this is another Tuscan kale. This is cauliflower. The cauliflower that you can get at the grocery store. It is like round and perfect. This is kind of look like this. Maybe it's not too cold here, but I like it this way. So this is the yellow cauliflower. Yellow cauliflower. This is a purple cauliflower, but there's no still waiting for the flower. The other one I showed earlier is French sorrel. This one is a red veined sorrel. This is really beautiful on a salad. Look. And then here we have a calamansi tree. You see there are a lot of fruits. And we harvest every day. These are sugar snap peas. So we have sugar snap peas here. This and this. See? And these are collard greens. Some of the leaves are ready for harvest. This is lavender. This is a citronelle. And then this is a fig tree, which is like leafless at the moment. This is from I need to remove this. And then here we have raised garden beds. We have Joy Choy, I think these are Joy Choy, and Bok Choy, I think this is bolting. I'm going to harvest those soon. And then this is the mystery plant, but I think, look at how gorgeous. But I think this is kohlrabi, purple kohlrabi. Look at how beautiful. And then on that side we have purple Osaka mustard. This one I'm going to pickle this very soon. These are purple Osaka mustard, and then these are spinach. See, and then this one is a box of salad greens or lettuce, different varieties of lettuce. This is where I harvest lettuce for my lunch. I already mentioned before that I work from home, my husband too, but in different industries. Husband is in healthcare, I'm in brand management. And then this is goes all the way there. This is a grapevine. This is pearlet grapevine, so the fruits are green. And then here we have another blueberry bush. This is, there are actually two here, Moonshadow and O'Neill. And you can see the flower buds. And then here we have kumquat. This is kumquat. Kumquat tree is very prolific. With kumquats, I think I've shown it in another video, you eat the entire fruit because the outside, like the skin or the peel, is sweet and the inside is kind of like tart, so you have to eat it for that like punch of flavor. Here, those are tomato cages for like when we switch from winter gardening to like spring summer garden. These are carrots. This is fennel, which has been here for a long time now. This one is Satsuma mandarin, there you go, which is taking forever to grow. And then here we have another raised bed. These are mustard spinach. And then here we have ayuzu. This is ayuzu lemon tree. And then here we have Valencia orange. This is Valencia orange, and the fruits are ready. Let me get one. Look at how huge. There are more there. And then next to it is this is the blueberry grapevine, and still leafless at the moment. It will sprout out very soon, so it's not dead. It's just that it's overwintering. And this is a citrus salad. It's one tree with 6 different varieties of citrus grafted onto like the same stem. So those are limes, bear's limes. Those are oranges, I think Magnolia Tangela, I'm not sure, but there are 4 varieties of oranges here. So those oranges, these are oranges here too. And there's Magnolia Tangelo, there's Valencia orange, and there is Washington Navel. And there's another one, I can't remember anymore. And these are limes, bear's limes, and those are lemons. So this is the citrus salad, 6 varieties of citrus in one plant, which is very interesting. This is my favorite herb. This is lemon verbena. And that one is look at how tall. We have a lot of bay leaves or laurel leaves. It's very tall now, look. I didn't know that it's going to be like a tree. I thought it's just like a small plant. Anyway, this is it's about to bloom soon. You can see the flower buds. This is a nectarine tree. And this is our herb garden. And next to it is a plum tree. This is going to bloom first. This has like white flowers. This is a plum tree. It's so pretty too when it blooms. And then here we have this is the calamondine that we got first. So this is a variegated calamondine, as you can see there, or calamansi. You can see the leaves, and these are the fruits. We planted a lot of citrus fruits. So this is the side of our garden. We have a lot of citrus fruits. As you may notice, they are planted really close to each other because we live in a city, we live in Los Angeles, and we don't have that much space to plant as many trees and like vegetables. That's why they are planted close to one another, but we make sure that we prune them. And we have a gardener too that comes here every week, once a week, to help us with the trees and the cleaning. And this is this is basil. Look at how pretty. It stays pretty all year long. It doesn't like overwinter. It's winter, but like look, the leaves are still very pretty, and the flowers, bees love this. And then what else? We have more. Here we have, this is oregano. And we have mint here. Be careful when you plant mint. They are quite invasive. But we have like space in this area. So we have mint growing here. Some are overwintering. This one is also mint. This is purslane, which is like sort of wild. This is French thyme. This one is, I can't remember what, like, this is an herb too, but I can't remember anymore. And we have some like dill and no, not dill, but we have some chives, but they are like they don't, it's winter, so they don't like look as pretty. I'm going to show you this one. And this is kale, curly kale. So we have 3 varieties of kale in the garden. We have curly kale, we have Russian kale, and we have Tuscan kale. And here we have, this is a pear tree. I think this is Andrew pear. And then we had the top one because it's like getting like really tall, so we had the top one cut off, like, you know, those, so it's like shorter now. We would like to keep our trees like short. This one is a peach tree. This is a red baron peach tree. And then here we have strawberries, and then carrots over there. This is apricot, and then another blueberry bush here. There are a lot of flowers too. Here I still have my orange. And then this is another pear tree. This is Asian pear, Shinjiki. I'm not sure if my pronunciations are correct. We still have a lot of space to grow more vegetables on this side actually. These are broccoli. Probably plant more broccolis. It takes a while for them to flower. This one is arugula. This one is the one that I don't like. This one I want to flower soon, but it doesn't flower. This one I don't want to flower because like when they flower, it's kind of like the taste changes. This is arugula, but the flowers are pretty on salad. So this has like bolted already. Arugula, and this is another sugar snap peas. And then more arugula here. Also bolting, but like I said, the flowers, I'll show you the flowers again. They're very pretty on salad, like this when it blooms. Anyway, moving on to here, I showed you earlier this one. This is another lemon tree. Look at all the fruits. This is cherry moya. This is a cherry moya tree. Still waiting for it to bear fruits. And then here we have this one is oh, it's about to bloom too. You can see the flower buds here. This is nectar plum. So earlier I showed you nectarine and plum. This is a cross between those two. So this is nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum, which is growing really tall. But look at this rose competing with those trees, growing really tall too. This is another peach tree. This is donut peach or southern peach, and look, it's about to, so this tree is going to bear fruits first before the other one. This is a donut peach tree. And then let's go to the other side. Here we have like berries. See the flowers? Here we have berries. This is a raspberry. And then this is another berry. I think blackberry. Strawberries. These are like what is this? Gooseberry. This is a gooseberry. And then this one is a blackberry. And this is dragon fruit. And we have flowers here. Love this. They have wild flowers here, and I love this one. This is pink. It's going to bloom soon. I'm going to show you when it blooms. And that's it. Let's go back to the kumquat. As you can see, our garden is small. And this is lavender. So this is lavender, French lavender. This is Mexican sage. They're both purple. There's a rose here. I can do a flower garden tour next time. We have a lot of flowers too. I'm going to show you the, oh, it's where we started our tour earlier. I'm going to show you the kumquat. I forgot to mention, this is Nagami kumquat. And that's it for our garden tour. Oh, there's a butterfly. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now. I'm going to have my tea.